Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to 10 minutes or less of my time capsule. Ada yang nanya sih ya ini. Dulu peranan agency itu sama nggak sih sama sekarang? Sama dan beda. Why? Because if a client comes to us as an agency, mereka tuh udah sort of like udah percayain ini semua to the agency. Dalam arti kata, konsep, ideas, they of course based on the brief mereka ya. Let's say intinya begini, they come with a brief, they want to know what's the objective of the campaign and whatnot, and we would come back to them, okay, based on your brief, gini gini gini, okay, this is how we see the concept of your ad, begini, and we tell them why, and the media placement according to the target adalah begini gini gini gini, and media apa aja yang kita pakai is okay, print, TV, whatever, pokoknya make it a whole complete campaign. They would leave it up to us and they would say, oh okay, mereka kan percaya sih, okay do this, but tapi what about, misalkan ada juga asal ini gimana ya, let's say they want another majalah, and the media guy says, okay, we can actually do that, but it actually mengurangin your target because compared to this, ini adalah begini, gini, gini, gini. So everything was done professionally. Okay, fine, we setuju deh. Jadi mereka tuh setuju, okay, dengan konsep, placement, and whatever, the whole lot. No, whole lot aja. And in those days sih masih begitu aja ya. It was just media and the creative biasanya sih. Basically it was that. Tapi mereka kan ngasih kita lengkap. That's it. Okay, this is what you guys yang you propose us di sini. Okay, maybe revision sedikit, mungkin budgetnya nawar-nawar dikit segala macam. Budget expending-nya, advertising budgetnya, we don't have that much. Ada sih. Okay, tapi okay, let's split it in this. Okay, fine, we'll choose the best way aja untuk itu. Tapi everything was done by the agency. And you know how much the fee was? Dulu, when I first started, I mean, I was in international agency, and the agency fee was somewhere between 22.5 to 25% agency fee. The whole campaign. Tapi besides that juga, ada juga creative fee ada. Media fee juga ada. Production fee juga ada. So, kayaknya sih zaman dulu agency were making a lot of money. But if you look nowadays, kayaknya sih you don't get that much. Okay, like I said, waktu saya di international agency, I think it was 22.5 to 25. Saya masih ingat sih, definitely sih. And the local big ones was about 15 to 20 local agencies, okay? So the competition tuh begitu. And di zaman dulu sih masih banyak bule ya, for the big companies pasti ada bulenya. That's why our MDs were also bule, and our client directors was also bule, and the creative guy was also bule. So okay fine, itu mah that's their own policy deh. Kita mah ngikutin aja. I mean, I was just working di situ juga aja. But talking about fees is like that. And now sekarang saya dengerin dari dulu, I mean, terus akhirnya fees-nya kayaknya makin kurang ya. It was like 15, oh my god. Terus tato ada yang 10, ada yang 7.5, ada yang because they need the money so much, ada yang below 5. I'm not so sure, I'm not that guy. Saya belum, that's not my expertise, tapi saya cuma dengar-dengar aja. I said, oh my god, kok jauh-jauh bener ya. And kadang-kadang juga, these sekarang ya, client, they have their own placementnya bisa lewat mereka. No, placement or kita ngerjain dan segala macam. Berarti berkurang lagi dong. Apa tuh masukannya buat. But correct me if I'm wrong ya. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Nah, seumpamanya ada production juga. Oke, kita yang milih dong apa tuh production film productionnya. Ini yang bagus, ini because berdasarkan portfolio mereka aja dong. Produknya begini, and we see their portfolio in the same category. Oh ini bagus nih, begini. Dan dulu memang banyak kan asal production juga kita tetap dari luar ya. Kalau sekarang kan udah banyak banget yang dari dalam, dari luar, and whatnot. Dan kadang-kadang, my God, the client have a say in pilihin which production. Fine gitu kadang-kadang ya. Akhirnya we don't know what to do kasarnya sih. Okay, fine you can do that, tapi director harus begini gini 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 gini. Pokoknya oke deh, taruhlah ada kesepakatan deh ya. What I'm trying to say is kalau dulu everything was like 100% through the agency. What the agency proposed, itu yang akan dipakai. From the concept wise, placement wise, production wise, apa juga, it was through the agency. And the fee was relatively, jadi talking about the whole thing was 15 to 25. Nah sekarang it's totally different fee-nya. Dan sekarang kadang-kadang the client has to say mau pakai production mana, and kadang-kadang placement juga mereka yang bikin, so we just supply all the materials. Itu buat saya, that's also a huge difference ya, between the agency zaman dulu dan agency sekarang. Tapi now, I don't know how people think aja ya, the agency thing mungkin juga cari-cari jalan tengahnya gitu. Tapi in the end sih, it wasn't like the agency days aja. Memang the client is king. The client is king. Okay, we have to do it what they want according to their objectives. Tapi in the end, if they want to still be the king dalam arti kata market leader, we're the ones who propose the idea, the media placement, this and this and this, everything. Asal mereka bilang, okay fine, let's do it. Udah jalan. So sekarang it's totally different, but ya mungkin win-win solutionnya I'm not so sure. Saya bukan orang yang kayak ngerti banget gitu mengenai keuangan, how they work and whatnot. Saya cuma ngeliatin dari segi situ, on overall in general aja. Tetap peranan agency sama, we're supposed to come up with a concept, with a big idea. Tapi kayaknya sih that's about it. Kalau dulu sih big idea, execution juga ketahuan di mana. Dalam arti kata, we did the execution, placementnya apa. So it was a whole package deal. Sekarang I'm not so sure how big the package deal is, guys, because I'm already retired, and dulu juga waktu I was still working, I wasn't involved in that. So that's also a big difference peranan agency ya. Kalau kita ngeliatin di agency yang dulu sih, it was more like the Mad Men, the film-film di itu. That's how it was. Asal buat lucu-lucuan aja sih. In those days, I mean, even the studio, you can actually smoke. Everybody smokes. But nowadays itu beda lah. That's another subject juga. Tapi peranan agency buat saya adalah begitu. So I don't know. I don't have anything to say or anything to comment on. It's just facts saja buat saya. The most important thing for me is beautiful people stay beautiful, and peace.